case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1981 Delaware Superior Court case, Guy v. State, the plaintiffs sued the Ennises for causing a car accident by failing to keep their land unobstructed. The land in question, which included a daylighting easement, had been sold to the state of Delaware by the Ennises. The easement required the Ennises not to obstruct the clear view of drivers, but they allowed tall growths of corn and other vegetation to infringe upon it. The plaintiffs claimed that the Ennises breached the easement agreement, negligently breached their duty to highway travelers, and created a public nuisance. In response, the Ennises argued that the easement was nullified after the sale or assigned to the state, thus absolving them of responsibility. The court examined the case, including the terms of the sale agreement, and determined that the Ennises could be held liable for obstructing the daylighting easement and endangering travelers, despite the land's legal title being vested in the state. As a result, the plaintiffs were deemed to have a valid claim against the Ennises, who failed to keep the land unobstructed as required by the easement agreement.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.